Welcome to my channel, Smart Kiddos. My name is Pratiksha, and today I'm going to continue on the Python series, teaching Python for kids and beginners. Very simple. So in my previous videos, I taught you a lot on the coding of Python. If you haven't seen those videos, please check them out later. What are we going to learn today in this video? Today we're going to learn about lists in Python. So let's start. So here I'm in replit.com. I'm going to scroll down and create a REPL. I'm going to click Python as template, and I'm going to name this project lists in Python. When I click create REPL, I will get this screen. So let's talk about lists. What are lists and why are they important? Well, we know variables can store one value, but what if variables could store multiple values? That could save us a lot of time and it would be awesome. Well, that's what lists are. Lists store multiple values and we can print any value or all the values in the list. Let me show you an example. So, I have kept a variable called supplies and I have given it a lot of values. So brackets, pencil, eraser, tape, glue, scissors, notebook, pen, crayons, and markers. You can continue in this list and you could even do numbers, letters, anything you want. So then I'm going to print school supplies, comma, the variable supplies. And I've commented here, printing list. Let's see if this code prints the list in the output. Yes, so as you can see here, it prints the list in the output. Cool. Next, I have added the next code, which is print supplies for. So we're calling the lists and we are calling this index, which is 4. So the index is referring to the fourth element in the supplies list. So which is the fourth element? Well, guys, always the first thing in the list is the 0 element. Second thing is the first element, then the second element, then the third element, then the fourth element, then the fifth element, then the sixth element, then the seventh element, and then the eighth element. So basically, it will start with 0 in element. So 4 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm guessing it'll print scissors. Let's see if I'm right. So I'll run this. And I am right. It prints scissors in the output. Alright, let's say we want to replace a value in a list. Let's say that, we already have a lot of tape in school and we don't need to bring tape, but we need to bring a stapler from our home or we have to buy a stapler. So what we can do is, let me uncomment this code. So I have given supplies 2. So supplies is the list name and 2 is the element. So 0, 1, 2. Yes, tape is the second element. And I'm going to replace that with stapler. So I'm going to print the new list. Let's run the code and see. I'm going to drag the output so you can see more better. So new list, pencil, eraser, stapler. So yes, it has replaced successfully. There's no tape in this list. Cool. Now let's see something else. Let's say we want to repeat a value and replace. What do I mean? Well, now I have supplies 7. So supplies 7 is what? Supply 7, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crayons. So yes, let's pretend the school already gives us a lot of crayons, but we need to bring more than one pencil from home. So I'm going to replace crayons with supplies 0. So the 0 element, which is pencil. So when I print the new list, new supplies, comma, supplies, I should get pencil 2 times. Let's see. Pencil, eraser, stapler, glue, scissors, notebook, pen, pencil, markers. Yes, we have gotten pencil 2 times. Awesome. So now that we have seen how to replace values, let's see if we can print the length of the list. Can we? Of course we can print the length of the list. So now our list has changed. So if we do print length of list, comma, len, and I'm going to give the list name, which is supplies. So length is a inbuilt Python function, and you have to call it like this: len and then the list name, which is supplies. So when we run this, we get length of list 9. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we do have 9 values in the list. Awesome. Now let's talk about delete. Delete is really important as we can delete anything in the list, and that's pretty important. Let's say that we don't need to bring glue as the school already has a lot of glue for us to use. So we need to delete glue or remove glue from our school supplies. So what we can do is del supplies, which is the list name, brackets, and which element is glue? Well, 0, 1, 2, 3. It's the third element in the list. So I'm going to give 3 here and print let's give, we've given new supplies here. Let's give something different, like new school supplies. We're just giving this new line or sentence so that we can know the difference of which list we're looking at. And then comma, supplies. When I run this, so let me make this even more bigger. So new school supplies, pencil, eraser, stapler, scissors. So there's no glue in the list. So you have successfully deleted glue. Negative indices. What does that mean? Well, print supplies -1. This is a negative indice or a negative index. Is this wrong? No, this is legal. -1 just basically means the last value in the list. So when we run this, the last value is markers in this new list. And yes, it does print markers out. So negative numbers basically goes backwards in the list. Awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye!